Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Good morning, traders. This is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge on Tuesday, November 14th. Post-CPI data here. Obviously, we're seeing ES gap up, SPY gap up, SPX gap up significantly across the market here. I'm really watching ES here. I'm kind of watching this 44.90 to 4,500. Been a really important level. Really across multiple days, weeks, and months, all the way back to mid 2023. So this is that supply level I'll be looking at overhead on ES as we come into that roughly 4,500. So we'll see how we react on that. SPY and SPX. SPX I'll be watching 44.50, 4,500. As we'll most likely be opening up somewhere around this level, 44.65, somewhere around there. SPY will be 446, so I'll be watching 450 overhead there. So we'll go to the web app here. All expiries turned on. We see 44.50 overhead and then 4,500. Significant important areas to watch. Out of the money call speculators obviously in control. Call dominated in the money, in the money and out of the money, above and below spot price. So then we'll continue to look up the chain or through the web app and see where we see call targeting speculation. So we do see that all the way up to 45.50 and 4,600. We'll take a look at the landscape view here. A nice zoom in there. We see where we're at here at 44.50 plus GEX, and then we see all the way out here at 4,500. So if we're going to see this sustained above us, we'd like to see out of the money call speculation come in today. Pretty significantly up towards 4,500 and 4,600. December OPEX would be target looking for that 4,500 overhead as we move through those levels and strikes. So we'll see how that kind of plays out today. Go ahead and go back to 0 DTE for today. Paul's posted the SPX PBI BMO commentary. Make sure you're checking that out for the levels. Obviously, we'll be gapping up into these levels overhead. 44.50, obviously still a significant negative net delta there. And those puts above us, make sure you're looking at the net OI here. So we'll see how those change as we gap up into those levels overhead. I would anticipate some stalling into those levels overhead, at least some consolidation. We're going to be gapping up significantly. So on days like this, I like to wait for at least the opening range to see how everything plays out. I would assume and anticipate we'll have some profit taking into those levels overhead if the call speculators are going to take some profits because of this large gap up. Obviously it's 9 o'clock, so we'll have 30 more minutes for the open. P-Trans to PeakX portfolio, we'll have a couple exits at the open today. We'll also have an entry in Amazon. Make sure you're checking that out as we head into today. Probably most likely be a lot more exits if we sustain this move up throughout the day. So again, I'm going to be watching basically this 44.50 plus GEX as of last night's run overhead, and then 44.65 is COTMC from last night's run. We go ahead and look at the daily significant level there. I've drawn supply for the past kind of months and weeks. If we do traverse these areas here and get above that, then I'd anticipate the 4,500 level would be most likely the target overhead. I'd like to see out of the money call speculators again come into full force and hopefully move us up to those levels. So we'll see how the open is. We'll be in the Discord in just a few minutes. Thanks everybody. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in a few minutes.